Publishing a query to ROXIE can be done a number of ways, using ECL Watch, the ECL IDE, or through the command line. That's what we're going to demonstrate, using the command line to publish our query. The advantages to using the command line is that you can do so with a script. I'm going to change my working directory to where my ECL code is located. This way, I won't have to fully qualify everything on the command line. And I wouldn't have to worry about making a typo, though you probably wouldn't be worried about making a typo if you were running a script. I'm going to issue the ECL queries list command, the -s parameter for the server, and this will show us a list of all the queries on that server. Let's publish our query. We'll issue the ECL publish command with the -s parameter specifying the server, followed by the target cluster, which in this case will be ROXIE, followed by the work unit ID or the ECL file. In this case, it'll be our ECL file that we will publish. Lastly, the -n or -- name option, which will be the name of our published query. This will now compile and publish our query. Now let's issue the ECL queries list command once again with the -s option for our server to see a list of our queries as published. You'll note the letter A next to the query that we just published, which is making it active. Thank you for watching.